So what we do in our solutions is first start with the purpose, define the purpose, right? Talk to your audience, try to understand and educate them in terms of what is it that they're trying to accomplish. Clearly identify the business problem, try to identify what are we looking to solve and what are we seeking their help with. Involve the people, right? One of the big things that we have found out is do not build data solutions away from people. Involve the users, get them to give you feedback, iterate with them. They feel involved in the process, they feel actually committed to this, and they kind of feel part of the solution, right? The third part of it is prioritize user feedback and also user experience. So when the solution is being presented, you'll always get a lot of feedback. Prioritize them, and we found that in fact, when we even build dashboards with clients, I think that whole aspect of taking the user feedback about what they would like, what is actually ailing them in terms of their user experience is very powerful into improving this. And when you do these three things, what you are able to do is you have taken the people along, you have clearly defined what you're looking to accomplish, you have involved them early into the whole process, and then you're also building a solution that prioritizes their experience. You come up with solutions that cater to their needs, and they're also well embedded into this whole decision making and they feel part of the entire thing. That we call as building a culture of data driven decision making and bringing the users along with you. I think that's I would say a very simple way of putting it, but it's been very powerful in our experience.
Yeah, yeah, and I think there's a pretty good understanding in organizations of the, let's call it, the end user experience. So the customer, the consumer level. But what you're describing here is the internal user and internal customer experience. Do you see? And I totally agree with what you're saying.